I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Paper, EO2 multiplayer. Your primary objective is to claim the largest possible area on the game map. You control a small colored block and move it around to draw a trail. When you complete a loop by returning to your own colored territory, the enclosed area becomes yours. Be quick and strategic to outmaneuver your opponents and expand your domain. To claim new territory, simply move your block out from your existing colored area, drawing a line behind you. The crucial part is to make it back to your own colored space without anyone crossing your line. If another player intersects your trail before you close the loop, you are instantly eliminated. This risk versus reward mechanic makes every expansion a strategic decision. You can also eliminate other players by cutting their trail. If you cross their line while they are outside their base, they are out of the game. However, remember that you are equally vulnerable when you are outside your own territory. A smart strategy involves expanding your land to create smaller, more manageable areas, making it easier to trap and eliminate unsuspecting opponents. For advanced play, focus on gradual, safe expansion rather than large, risky claims. Always keep an eye on your opponent's movements to anticipate their attacks and avoid being trapped. Try to secure the edges of the map first, as these areas are generally safer to expand into. Ultimately, controlling over 50% of the map is a strong indicator of victory and dominance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.